Welcome back. Today, we're going to discuss how to unfollow someone on Discord using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you need to remove someone from your friends list, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, open your Discord app and log into your account. Once you're in, head to the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on the Discord logo. This will take you back to the main menu, where you can manage your friends and chats. Make sure the Friends tab is selected. This is where you'll find all your current connections on Discord. Now, click on All to view your complete list of friends. Here you'll see everyone you're currently following. Once you've found the friend you want to remove, look to the right side of their name. You'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Remove Friend. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you're sure about this decision. Confirm it, and just like that, you've unfollowed them. And that's all there is to it. Unfollowing someone on Discord is simple and helps keep your friends list manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Discord effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.